Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to share Roblox profile link in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to share your Roblox profile link, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To share your Roblox profile link, first of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu screen will open. From here, tap on Profile. On your profile page, tap on the Share Profile button. A pop-up menu will appear. From the pop-up options, choose the app where you want to share. You can also select the Copy Link option. If Copy Link is not available, select Notes or Messaging. Now you can copy the link from the editing screen. Once copied, you can paste it anywhere, such as in a message, social media, or email, to share your profile with others.